Hi there, hope you all are doing well. This is day 5 of our Google App Script learning series. In today's video, we are going to cover very basic user interface of Google Spreadsheet like alert, prompt and toast. So without wasting time, let's get started. So very first of all, we will open our Google App Script code editor and we will change our project name day 5 UI alert prompt and toast. Okay, I will insert a script. I will rename as UI. Let's change the function name. Okay, I wrote try and catch to handle any error, and now I will declare a variable var UI spreadsheet app dot get UI. Now in this variable I am getting the UI. Now I will show you the alert function UI dot alert. Now you can see in the alert the reference is saying that I can insert a text as a prompt. So I will write do you like pizza? Now I'll save it and then I'll run it. So now you can see nothing is coming here. Script execution started, but it is not being completed. So what is happening? If I go back to the spreadsheet, you can see this is the alert now showing do you like pizza. I will click on OK. So now okay, here you can see now execution is completed. Nothing happened. Sometimes we need to show this kind of alert to our user in the spreadsheet. So we can update it, or we can see all other options. So now I will add a title. Let's say food choice. Now again if I run the script, oh, here it is showing the error, the string okay, it is not showing the function. Okay, now if I add one more comma, you can see it is showing the title. It will be the title, first one. The second one, it will be the prompt text, and the third one, it will be the button. It will be the button set basically. So in here I can insert the button UI dot button set and then dot. Now you can see all these buttons are now available. Okay, these are a button set basically. Okay and cancel, yes no cancel. I'll select yes no cancel. Now I'll save it and I'll run it again. Now it should work. Okay, now you can see food choice, it's now a title of this alert, and this is the alert message, do you like pizza? For now I will select yes, I like. What happened? Execution completed. But now I want to capture the response from user, so I will declare variable response. Here I can capture the response from the user. Now here I will add if condition. If response equal to basically I want to see which button they they clicked. So what I'll write here, UI dot button dot yes. If the select if any user select button yes, so what I'll log here, yes, user likes pizza. For no button, else if response, sorry, button no. In this condition, logger dot log no user doesn't like pizza. Else if response button dot cancel, then I can log here logger, sorry, okay, I can log here user selected cancel. Okay, now let's run this again. Here three options now available. I'll select yes, I like pizza. Now you can see basically it match the criteria here, yes, and yes, user likes pizza. That was the log result should be printed, and yeah, the same thing, same log result it appeared here. I'll run again, and for now I'll select no, I don't like. Now it printed no, user doesn't like pizza. If I select cancel, then this one will be locked. Okay, that's how this alert is working. Now I'll show you for prompt. Okay, I wrote the function name prompt UI, and I added a try catch to handle the error. For now I will declare the variable again. So now I will write the prompt. In this prompt I can write a question like do you like pizza? So now see how it works. I will change the function from this drop down. I will run it. Now if I go here, you can see it's an input box. Now I can write my my consent. I can write yes and okay. Okay, execution completed, nothing appeared. So or I can write here something like what is your name. I'll run it, and here I can write Debu and okay, execution completed. Now I want to capture the response or whatever the user is writing in input box. So I will declare it as a variable, and now here I will log get response text. I am getting the response in this variable, then I am getting response dot get response text. Okay, let's run it. I will write here Debu for now. Okay, and now you can see the same the text which one I wrote in input box, it now logged here. Now I want to update it, like I can write here the title. I added the title as a name, then comma, then if I go to the next page reference, you can see first it will be the title, second it will be the prompt, and third one it will be button. Basically it is the button set. Now I will basically it does not require, but if you need for any reason you can add the button UI button set. I will select yes no for now. I will save the script and then I'll run it again. Now you can see two buttons appeared now. It is so irrelevant name. So if you need for any use cases, so you can use this anyway. I'll write there. For now I will select yes and it appeared here. Now I want to capture the button, which one the user will select. I want to know. So what I'll do, logger.log response.get selected button. I'll run it again. I will come here and for now I will write and then I will click on, for example, yes. Now you can see the name which one I wrote in input box, it appeared here, and the button which one I clicked, yes, it also appeared here. The same thing you can do as like which button user is going to select. Based on this criteria you can log a different result, or you can write different code inside every if condition. You can do whatever you want, but that is the use case of this prompt. Now we will see the toast. Here I will directly write spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet dot toast, and you can see basically toast just to show is simple text message generally. So you can see a reference is saying that toast, and it will be a message, and it will obviously be a string. So here I can write app script execution finished. So now I will change the function name from this drop down and I will run it. If I go to this spreadsheet, you can see this right bottom, app script execution finished. It has gone automatically. Also, okay, I'll run it again. You can see this right bottom, app script execution finished, it appeared. I can change it. Let's say I can write the title, and then okay, so and then this is the title, this is the toast message, and here I can add one more thing. Okay, I will send it to down so that I can see the reference correctly. Okay, now you can see it will be the message string, then I can write the title. Okay, I made a mistake, and then I can write timeout seconds. So here the reference is saying if I set null, then the default will be 5 seconds. It means toast this message box will wait for 5 seconds, then it will go away. If I add any negative value, then toast remains until dismissed. And we can set the okay, timeout second. So how many seconds it will wait, we can set here. Okay, it is the wrong, so I will just change it again. So title will be here, and then it will be timeout second. So for now I will select, let's say, 6 seconds. So I will run this again. Okay, let's run it. Now you can see the title app script execution finished. This is the same toast message appeared, and after 6 seconds it has gone. Okay, I think that's all in this video regarding very basic spreadsheet user interface like alert, prompt, and toast. In next video we will learn about menu, and then after we will learn sidebar one after one. I think next videos are going to be very interesting for you. Okay, that's all. Meet you in the next video. Take a good care of yourself. See you again. Bye bye.